Okay, in this video we are looking at the use of constants. So if you look at this program on the screen, in this program the price of a pie will always be 15 Rand 50. So when I wrote the code, I immediately said the price is 15 Rand 50. So I don't need to ask the user for the price. I know every time it will be 15 Rand 50, and all I need to find out from the user is how many pies did he buy. And then I calculate and I print the total number of the total amount owed. But the important thing to note is that the price will be 15 Rand 50 every time the program runs. So what we do is we identify this variable price as not a normal variable, but something we call a constant. Constant simply means it stays constant, so it doesn't change. So instead of declaring the variable inside main, we declare the constant above the heading of main. You'll see the position where it is. And notice the syntax. It starts off with the letter CONST for constant. Double is the data type of price, is the name of the constant, and then its value. And then we can use price inside the program. Quick, why do we put constant above the heading of main? That void main is called a method in programming. Later in the year you'll be defining different methods in one program. Every time you declare a variable inside a method, it can only be used inside that method. But constants normally are values that you want to use throughout the whole program. So by putting it above the main method, you will in the future be able to use it in all the other methods that you will declare. So to summarize, when do I decide to use a constant? It's a value that I know when I write the code. That's a simple rule. When I write the code and I know the pies are 15 Rand 50 and I put it in the code, I know I don't need to ask the user for it. That is a good indication that I'm working with this constant. So every time I run the program, the value won't change. So if I run it today, it's 15 Rand 50. If I run it tomorrow, it's 15 Rand 50. And then very important, I don't need to change the value during the program. So while the program is running, I don't need to change the price of the pie. In these circumstances, I identify it as a constant and I declare it above the main method.